Anyway, okay, now, mammy.
No, Mamma, DJ, I'm perching me.
I don't almost see Obia, but Obia, almost sentence to say, a blue quanswa, and brother will be okay. What do I say? That's right. Udu quanswa. Your regulations. That's right. Your umbrella, ma'am, Sapa Pepe, and Untiama will be Yobi. Na embrano so akyerɛ deɛ woyɛ obi etu wonye obi amfɔso nkoyɛ obi dabi woyɛ MP kura na anya obi a amfɔso nkoyɛ ho MP no wadie embrano se wonye obi a what ase tinka se woyɛ obi yɛnyina na yɛtete ha ya road traffic regulations se wonye obi a nyusu sare wo so ɛyɛ ntɔkwa gofi wɛyɛ bɔkɔ na kwabena ade ha me ne sɛ on top of this notice aba Jeff me pesa wo de okay, meka no. Mabefa we nhyase. What the final one me? Road traffic regulations. Airline now come. Airline 2180. That's right. As specified. Na dia me ya ne say. Mu ye mra hye. That's right. And mu ye lawmakers. That's right. Enti mu kotra parliament ye mra na yen ya yete ye ni so a. How would you feel? How would you feel? Airline so mu na mo ye. Mu na mo ko wie mu na mo ye na mo keka bibo mu a. So say 2024. No mpese we no. Ah me be ka ho asem. No mpese nko mo sesa no. Eno mo ye dede mu ayese dabi yes na MPs ni na be ye ya omo nte ye ya wo no ye hawo no ene ye dede ase dabi omo mfam bi no mu se omo te parliament ya omo badwene ye ho se ye bre wo kwam traffic chi ya no no ran no nko abetwam ko dabi sa amra no ye mpe eti ya mpene am omo review that's right na nko mbe amende na yeso omo de omo ho abehim na ya na so omo fam ni ya mpene speaker of parliament ba bontin be pa ye chew se opagana fo a chew na ade no kro omo de ba ne se de omo kra le no kra na nhye dam fa kwan paso no pentem de ya yi na no pa ya chew ne ye te ase ye nim se ye te hoi de MPs PPP bi anim ye ne mu ni asem na de amna ne kani kwamna LI 2180 no okay 74 over 3 when hear me 74 ne kasaba efa horns and sirens na 3 no wachre wo mu a etimi yusu sir or say despite sub regulation 1 a siren or bell may be fitted as a warning appliance and used on the following classes of motor vehicles. A government vehicle used for official purposes by the head of state, President John Dramani Mahama. That's right, Marco. So, head of state now, President John Dramani Mahama, when they can who be the vice, great. To the president, the vice president. That's right. The atosu bi mo say a police vehicle police for car no tina hu so mo ya a motor vehicle used by the fire service fire for kan ho a motor vehicle used as an ambulance by a hospital and now kan ho asem no clinic a motor vehicle used by other recognized government security agencies immigration for any other security customs ni ade nyina wo so security for Libya and we say a bullion vehicle registered by the licensing authority. Eduomo the first key. On say sika car no. Boss you scan egum. Ya ma kan say you scan egum nipa be ne dem. Mesro emra na se wo mo kwan. So wo mutimi bo pepe na mo kwan. No say for no say a person who contravenes this regulation commits an offense. That's right. The MPC ya. Mo be ye ni nyina mo atomra. That is what the law says. Wa church cars ya. Yetimi de sare na ho no bo. Would the encounter as MP? Men could be more. A Ghana Police Service at the Krata Babontin, Jeff Fakrata, not to Sumami. Okay. As of July 7, say July Muni, I July me away. We did be birthday 3 days. Almost Sama one in Ibium 2024, Omade by Almost Sama one in Ibium, which say. Police warns against unauthorized use of sirens, horns, and strobe lights. That's right. Or say the Ghana Police Service is reminding the public that the unauthorized use of sirens, horns, strobe lights, and other yes, so crowd. What the ma ben could have fed in Shokan. No, do I know the Ashim by about Penedica, Mr. Tufi or Blue Red, and other emergency warning devices is prohibited under the road traffic regulations 2012 LI 2180. And Oma Kana say Ghana Police Service and by enforcement you can't qua Omani Abre. Na Kwabna de Cheso Omani Abre ne say they've made arrests Dintia many abra makers. Cars will match in Yagro. Just from June 15 2026 last month. ABC 7th year we release statement.
That's right.
Cars your matching kwa. The first one farmer may or say or match the first one 1,054 vehicles in Greater Accra region alone.
Just a woman just say
I want to say about 1. MPs near was say
276 I say.
275. What the fun is that? Multiply crowd by 3. You be 1,054. Debbie. And you the funny MPs will be our cast straight round and go MPs they are born when you just say MPs yes I didn't know and Crofobi Shemu and could be 1,054 now in the chance room or see the police as arrest who can nationwide across the country 4,627 vehicles and I jeff for the atom it tells you how a man for abuse you see abuse yes now when you come now they had you say Ebia ene obi ba ren nti udwen say ambulance udwen say police udwen say authorized vehicles ibi enti wa man kwan obetwa mu hu say say individual bi no ochene bi ebia na ya ambulance ankasa wo na ya police car ankasa but because of your past experience you know say we kura ye de kura bia ejubus we si kwan no meanwhile emra ne senka man kwan na nipa na si kwan no onya access na ye dey high ho ntie ma dey friend disorder eba system ni and the police is supposed to restore order.
That's right.
It womo dey ensema ba say oh yeah ye becho yes MPs no we know the job they do.
Good.
MPs no meeting place here
in parliament.
Great. It is almost called parliament almost say we feel say why later call for authorization.
Okay.
Na or police interior minister it is IGP na be catch na they will give you through the interior ministry on be ma note.
That's right.
And as you be ma police escort no abedi wachi do akọ ba bia awoko no and as we speak kwabra ka ministers ministers o ka ankasa eni se bi bo ho president and vice.
That's right. Let's start the
minister ka eni se bi bo ho ne ese bo minister na ko ba bia enti ne mo escort.
That's right.
Police need to go to so no de ne ko enti you minister untimi nkotu car V8 no na won ko a won fa kromu
na odi akire
emra ne se mi hu ame ma akwan yo just say motor police motor need wani.
That's right.
Because they are abusing it.
Seriously.
Omo abusing e bi kro woni official assignment to onko ye hwe obe ka na girlfriend e sia no
what you say
obe we na fufuo bi a ya friend say nam no ya hoa wo no anko du fufuo ntem na amanfo a bi a wo ko adwuma wa ye late ono no hwe nti na nipa na ko gina nche delay time bi o ye doctor onko gini pa ya rehwe bi a wo ye say and you are wasting unnecessary time. Say your official duty you get an escort.
Yes.
Just apply, they will give you escort.
Simple.
And on a speaker can.
That's right.
Say free necro. Those people, MPs, no.
That's right.
So we here say yeah, it be urgent. So now yeah. Call, they will give you authorization.
That's right.
And I congratulate the police. I applaud them. Say, within a short time, just 1 month.
That's right.
4,627 vehicles. Compound there to I like it.
That's
they
right.
should continue. Not order. Ekwa so nyel kra
kofi enyo enye ambulance so ho ko yakuni
so we experience o mo enya ambulance na dia fe no ofin say enya ambulance
what does it man penning that may so rest in peace. Mills me kaipa I remember quite vividly.
Right.
Say 2011 oba airport ha say na osi no meeting hobby and can say ma na point is no mo bi amfa ne car eni na chi
eno ano no
and who said bus shuttle be abesi ho and also bi amfro. I remember vividly and omotena mu na onim president E2D kind wa na bi afa ho no makotu omo cars no musu die
Jeff enti my yankai we nche MPs no ni Ghana Police Service hwe munchi MPs ni bi mfanyi mudin MP o yusu sari na on unauthorized no police Ghana police sergeant for no more promotion IGP for promote wo mo nya kukuduro chi no what power from above ni nyina wo president John Dramani Mahama wo se wo chi MP na wo prosini no omo sorry tia wa it means say Mahama na sorry tia Ghana mra you will accept that.
That's right.
enti Ghana police for munya kukuduro we ya sergeant we ya corporal we ya wa we low rank kura wo fumu a che no wo mo so a ebi wo a wonye we sikani bi wo ye ho ahwan bi won hyeda ndi authorities wo use and we ya connected to ho ahwan che no wo de so omu ye obibi aka kire de be fast ye wa bohu de na se mahama na etieti amra so wo mbe hwe no ma ye because too much and it cause a lot of unnecessary traffic
even na omuma setena ne ye because driver near to fuel ojina traffic mu e bani fuel because of no fault of his enya nem fam so traffic ache because of ebia portal bi hwe eye pronom kwan so yi portal se da ho ne traffic a eche
ena oba so opese oto amenem
what is
it to amenem no obese wo hwe car no to kra wo nyobia wonyobia ni sika kakra wanya ni wan koto we yabumu adwendwen hadi pa ne kwa
adan
Ghana na say nkrofo bi pese che sa say oman ne ye omo dia bi ni ye nyina ye dia wo
ye nyina ye dia
emra no ya yam ye nyina ye ho
what is here
ya yam ye nyina obeduru ba bi ano mama say nipa bi too much
driver near sorry ko ye adwuma to fuel na say ojina traffic mi na fuel ne bene wo fuel ko ye ma allowance unto na wasan so ese o se wo san pentem
na omo so omo nye prosi ni ambulance
omo so
onso omo ye sa renren na omo twam na nkrofo adi omo chi
that's it
Etubon sa traffic na be tintin ansa na mukura mbenya chance say mo amudi so dada no mu be wuram na cars be 5-6 ehun say we sebe ne jimia wo jimia no so jimia fra si wo mahu say dey so da but obi a dey it's bad
and ko tumi cause accident
it's bad
because when you say ambulance na e be sen ko tu ma ne kwan ya utu asimu wa na hey
mesi moto ya ko de nyame nko attack junction hey ya akwa no nye authorized you na hwim ena omo famu so kona press wugina no anyina camera no wo ho say camera no betimi attract no why not
that's right
they should do that there's no excuse for not arresting these people
that's right
IGP me bom abaso 4627 mo ya de but we need more car no so mo je a say punishment ne yeto
awasa mo crack whip ni ye na wo mo ehunu say mo ni abre papa da ko bi na mudi ehu hia pa enu nti ye mfa nya sua de bada no pay utu kwan ka ho asema ye kan utu kwan wo ko ufri Kumasi na wo ko nkran na say ufri nkran na be Kumasi ko takrade na say takrade be Kumasi ana wo ko Tamale